Hey, car enthusiasts! What if I told you that you're sitting on thousands of dollars worth of hidden features every time you get in your car? I'm talking about secret buttons, hidden compartments, and safety features that most people never discover, even after driving the same car for years. And here's the kicker. One of these features could literally save your life and another could prevent you from getting stranded in an emergency. I've been working on cars for over 2 decades, and I'm constantly amazed by how many drivers don't know about these built-in lifesavers. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets. From the simple tricks that'll make you look like a car genius, to the advanced features that could save you thousands in repairs. Stick around because number 1 is going to blow your mind. Let's start with the features you can use every single day. Feature number 15, the key fob magic trick. This one sounds crazy, but it actually works. If your key fob isn't reaching your car in a big parking lot, try this. Hold it against your head, right against your temple. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this guy serious? But here's the science. Your brain is about 85% water, and water conducts radio waves. So your head becomes like a signal booster for your key fob. It can increase your range from 30 feet to over 80 feet. And while we're talking about key fobs, here's another secret. Almost every key fob has a hidden mechanical key inside. Look for a little latch or button on the side, press it, and boom. Backup key. Perfect for when your battery dies. Feature number 14, the color code. Notice how some caps and parts are bright yellow, blue, or red, while others are plain black or gray. That's not random. It's a secret code. The bright colors are basically your car saying, hey, you can handle this yourself. These are usually things like oil caps, windshield washer fluid, and coolant reservoirs. The plain colors? Those are the leave this to the professionals parts. Yellow usually means oil, blue often means coolant or washer fluid, and red typically indicates transmission fluid. Learn these colors and you'll never accidentally put the wrong fluid in the wrong place. Feature number 13, the fuel cap holder you never noticed. This one's so simple, you'll smack your forehead. Next time you're at the gas station, look inside your fuel door. See that little hook or notch? That's designed to hold your fuel cap while you pump gas. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people balance their gas cap on their car roof where it gets forgotten, or let it hang and bang against their paint. That little hook prevents scratched paint and keeps dirt out of your fuel system. Feature number 12, the emergency escape button. Here's a real lifesaver. If your car battery dies and you're stuck in traffic, you can still move your car. Look for a small plastic cover near your gear shifter. Pop it off with your key, press the button underneath, and you can shift into neutral even with a dead battery. This little-known feature has saved countless people from blocking traffic during emergencies. Take a minute to find yours now before you need it. Now let's talk about features that keep you safe when Mother Nature gets moody. Feature number 11, your car's weather reporter. That little snowflake symbol on your dashboard isn't just cute, it's a serious safety feature. It monitors outside temperature and warns you when roads might be icy. When it lights up, slow down and be extra careful. Some newer cars even share this information with other vehicles nearby, creating a network of weather spotters to keep everyone safer. Feature number 10, the anti-blindness mirror trick. At the bottom of your rearview mirror, there's a little tab. When someone behind you has their high beams on and you're getting blinded, flip that tab. It's like putting sunglasses on your mirror. You can still see what's behind you, but without the painful glare. The newer cars have auto-dimming mirrors that do this automatically. It's like your mirror puts on sunglasses whenever it detects bright lights. Feature number 9, secret treasure hunt. Your car probably has hidden storage compartments you've never found. Jeep has been hiding these for over 10 years. The Toyota Hilux has a dash compartment that doubles as a drink cooler. Some Volkswagens have secret spots under the driver's seat. Take some time this weekend to explore your car. You might find hidden gems you never knew existed. Feature number 8, remote window control. Want to cool down your car before getting in on a hot day? You probably can. On most newer cars, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 3 seconds, and your windows will roll down remotely. No remote? No problem. Put your key in the driver's door, turn it to unlock, then turn and hold it. Your windows will drop down. Turn and hold the other way to close them back up. These next features can save you serious cash and embarrassment. Feature number 7, the gas station guide. Ever pull up to a gas pump on the wrong side? Look at your fuel gauge. See that little arrow next to the gas pump icon? That arrow shows you which side your gas cap is on. This has been a standard feature for over 30 years, but half of drivers still don't know about it. Say goodbye to awkward pump side shuffles. Feature number 6, the tire pressure helper. Some cars, like certain Nissans, will actually tell you when your tire pressure is perfect. Start filling your tire and the car's lights will flash to show the system is working. When you hit the right pressure, the car honks once. If you overinflate, it honks again and flashes the hazards. It's like having a tire expert built into your car. Feature number 5, hidden remote. Start up to 90% of new cars have remote start capabilities, even if there's no obvious button. Look for a circular arrow on your key fob. Some cars require specific sequences, like pressing lock twice, then holding on the third press. Imagine starting your car from inside a restaurant while your friends are still scraping ice off their windshields. Feature number 4, your personal driving coach. If you see a coffee cup icon on your dashboard, it's not suggesting Starbucks. It's warning you that you're getting drowsy. Modern cars can monitor your facial expressions and driving patterns to detect when you're getting tired. According to safety experts, drowsy driving causes about 100,000 crashes per year. This feature could literally save your life by telling you when to take a break. Now for the really cool tech that makes cars feel like spaceships. Feature number 3, the DIY tire light fix. When your tire pressure light comes on, you don't always need a mechanic to reset it. After filling your tires, many cars let you reset the system yourself. On Hondas, hold the tire pressure button until the light blinks 3 times. On Toyotas, turn the key to on and press the reset button. This simple trick saves you a trip to the shop every time you need to adjust your tire pressure. Feature number 2, smart windshield wipers. Your wipers might be smarter than you think. Many cars have adjustable rain sensors that can be fine-tuned based on how hard it's raining. The system uses an optical sensor to detect raindrop size and frequency, then adjust wiper speed automatically. It's like having a personal assistant for your windshield. Feature number 1, night vision. Superpowers. Here's the mind blower. Some cars actually have night vision. Using infrared sensors and thermal imaging, these systems can see up to 1,000 feet ahead in total darkness. Active systems project invisible infrared light that illuminates the road beyond your headlights. Passive systems detect heat signatures from people, animals, and vehicles. It's like having military-grade vision built into your car. While this is mostly found in luxury vehicles now, expect it to become more common as the technology gets cheaper. All right, my friends, there you have it. 15 hidden features that could save you money, keep you safe, and make you the smartest driver in your neighborhood. The crazy thing is, most of these features have been hiding in plain sight for years. Car manufacturers put them there to help you, but they don't always do a great job of explaining what they do. Did this video help you discover something new about your car? Drop a comment below and let me know which feature surprised you the most. And if you found a secret compartment or feature I didn't mention, share it with everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I've got more money-saving car secrets coming your way every week. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your car, a little knowledge can save you a lot of money and maybe even your life. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.